Take it off. Take it off. We must give it back. Is the police coming? 50 years, Betty, and now you are a thief?
What happens when you hear English, but you understand it the wrong way?
Someone says, "I'm all ears," and you start looking for the extra ears. Stay with us. This one is really fun.
Hi, friends. Today we have 3 short, funny stories.
You'll meet Frank and Betty, our sweet older couple, and Tom and Lisa, our young friends. They love English, but sometimes English plays little tricks on them.
Don't worry, we'll keep everything simple, slow, and fun. You can learn and laugh at the same time.
And one more thing. Tell us your level of English. Are you a beginner, A1, A2, B1, or above? Write it in the comments too.
Okay, let's meet Frank and Betty.
Betty, look. I found this in the drawer. How is it called?
You use it every week, Frank. Guess.
It has little metal lines, like a tiny cage. How is it called, this thing?
It's a whisk. You make the morning eggs with it.
Ah, the egg tool. The whisk.
Oh, one little thing, Frank. You said, how is it called?
Yes, I wanted the name.
Almost. We say, what is it called?
What? But I can see what it is. It is a thing in my hand. I want the name. So, how?
I understand your logic, dear. But for the name, English uses what? What is it called?
What is it called?
Yes. And one more nice way, when you want the English word for something, you can ask, how do you say this?
Oh, how do you say this? I like it.
What is it called? For the name. How do you say this? For a new word.
Okay, what is it called?
That's a spoon, Frank.
I know. I am only practicing.
You learn fast today.
Okay, Betty, I have a riddle for you. A hard one. I think you cannot answer it.
Ooh, go on. I'm all ears.
All ears?
I'm all ears.
Betty, where? You have 2 ears, the same 2.
Frank?
Is your nose ears now? Your hands? Am I all ears too? Should we call a doctor?
Okay, calm down. No doctor. Let me explain.
But you said it. I count only 2 ears.
I'm all ears is an expression. It means I am listening very carefully. For example, tell me everything. I'm all ears. Or when there is news, I'm all ears.
Oh, so not real ears, just listening.
Exactly.
Okay, then. Now you are all ears. Listen to my riddle. Betty, what was my riddle? I forgot it.
Oh, Frank.
It's okay. Today I have new words. What is it called? How do you say this? I'm all ears. And the whisk. Tomorrow, eggs.
I'm all ears, dear.
Ready for a short shadowing practice? Let's say them together. Here we go. Please tell me, what is this yellow flower called? Please tell me, what is this yellow flower called?
Oh, I don't know this word. How do you say this in English? Oh, I don't know this word. How do you say this in English?
Ooh, you have a secret? Tell me, I'm all ears. Ooh, you have a secret? Tell me, I'm all ears.
Wow, this story sounds exciting. I'm all ears. Wow, this story sounds exciting. I'm all ears. Now in the second video,
Again, Frank and Betty.
and don't forget, write your level of English below and give us a like.
Frank, look at my new jacket. Do you like it?
Oh, very nice. Very red. Beautiful, Betty. And it seems very soft. It costs cheap,
Not costs cheap, Frank. It's very cheap.
but it costs cheap. The jacket costs money, and the money is small. Small money costs cheap.
I see what you mean. But we don't say costs cheap. We say it's cheap. Or it was cheap.
The jacket was cheap.
Perfect.
Betty, how do you always find these things so cheap? Every time.
50 years of shopping, Frank. I am a professional.
Oh, I see. You women all love shopping. So for you, being a professional is normal.
You love giving me money, Frank, and I love spending it, but always carefully.
Oh, really? Then from now on, I will give you less money.
Frank, I just said I spend it carefully. That's why it was a steal.
A steal?
A real steal.
Betty? I thought you bought it. You stole the jacket?
Frank,
Take it off. Take it off. We must give it back.
Is the police coming?
50 years, Betty, and now you are a thief?
no, Frank, stop.
It's okay. I will say it was me. I will go to jail for you.
Nobody is going to jail. It's a steal is an expression. It means something is very, very cheap. A great price.
Oh, so you did not steal it.
Yes. For example, you see good shoes for $10 and you say, wow, what a steal. Or, this phone was half price, a steal.
So it's a steal means so cheap, like a gift.
Exactly.
Whew. No police, no jail. So cheap. Betty, where is this shop? I want 10 jackets, all steals.
Slow down, my thief.
Wow, these tomatoes are very cheap today. Wow, these tomatoes are very cheap today.
Were the train tickets cheap? Were the train tickets cheap?
Oh, you got this lamp for $2? What a steal! Oh, you got this lamp for $2? What a steal!
Nice, our beach hotel was a real steal. Nice, our beach hotel was a real steal.
Let's watch Tom and Lisa in the last video.
Still no English level in the comments? Go, write it, and tap like if you're having fun.
Lisa, come, look at my dinner. I made pasta.
Wow, Tom. It looks great.
Great? It is more better than a restaurant.
Yeah.
More better than any restaurant in town.
It smells wonderful. Oh, one little thing. You said more better.
More better.
Yeah.
Better and then more better. The best.
I love your energy. But we don't say more better, just better. It's better than a restaurant.
But better is small. I want big. More good, more better, more best.
I know, but better is already big. It already means more good.
So more better is too much. Just better.
Better than a restaurant.
Yes. Perfect.
Better than a restaurant. Now, taste it.
Okay, here I go.
Wait.
What? Why?
Maybe the salt is wrong. Maybe it's bad. Maybe you won't like it. Let me cook it again.
Tom, are you getting cold feet?
Cold feet? My feet? No, my feet are warm. I have socks. Is the floor cold? Should I wear bigger socks? Why are we talking about my feet?
Okay, calm down. Your feet are fine.
But you said cold feet.
Cold feet is an expression. It means you are suddenly scared to do something. There are no real cold feet.
So, not my feet. I am just nervous.
Yes. For example, before a big test, a student gets cold feet. Or before singing on a stage, you get cold feet.
So cold feet means I want to do it, but suddenly I am scared.
Exactly.
Okay. No cold feet. Warm feet, brave heart. Taste my pasta, Lisa.
Delicious.
Oh, I am so happy now. You know what, Lisa? I must say, I got cold feet when you tasted it.
You know what, Tom? To be honest, it's not that delicious.
What?
Okay, Tom, I'm just joking. It's really better than a restaurant.
Ready for a short shadowing practice?
Let's say them together. Here we go.
Your soup is better than mine. Your soup is better than mine.
Which phone is better, the new one or the old one? Which phone is better, the new one or the old one?
Are you getting cold feet before the big test? Are you getting cold feet before the big test?
I always get cold feet before a long trip. I always get cold feet before a long trip.
Now, let's review everything we learned today.
Let's say them all together one more time. Here we go.
Wow, these tomatoes are very cheap today. Wow, these tomatoes are very cheap today.
Were the train tickets cheap? Were the train tickets cheap?
Oh, you got this lamp for $2? What a steal! Oh, you got this lamp for $2? What a steal!
Nice! Our beach hotel was a real steal. Nice! Our beach hotel was a real steal.
Your soup is better than mine. Your soup is better than mine.
Which phone is better, the new one or the old one? Which phone is better, the new one or the old one?
Oh no, are you getting cold feet before the big test? Oh no, are you getting cold feet before the big test?
I always get cold feet before a long trip. I always get cold feet before a long trip.
Please tell me, what is this yellow flower called? Please tell me, what is this yellow flower called?
I don't know this word. How do you say this in English? I don't know this word. How do you say this in English?
Ooh, you have a secret? Tell me, I'm all ears. Ooh, you have a secret? Tell me, I'm all ears.
Wow, this story sounds exciting. I'm all ears. Wow, this story sounds exciting. I'm all ears.
That's all for today, friends. 3 stories, 3 little lessons.
Now, the big question for us, what is your level of English? Beginner, A1, A2, B1, or above? Write it in the comments. We read them all.
Tell us everything below. We're all ears.
See you in the next one.